Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I am Darren. Today is a special day. I'm going to do an unboxing or unpacking of the M Grills M36 mother of all grills, smoker, grill, stick burner, everything all at once. It's a pretty amazing grill. Costs a lot of money, but it's worth it. We're gonna go ahead and take this out of the packaging. It got dropped off today by a truck. It was packed up in a crate. I uncrated it. I'll show you the pictures of it sitting in the driveway. I got it rolled from my driveway onto my fire and water cooking deck. And we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up, show you why I ordered the M Grills M36 mother of all grills. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, so this is how it came off the truck, all crated up on a pallet, and was really easy to take apart. I just needed a hammer, take off the plastic, and then pretty much wheeled it to the back, put it on my deck. Had to wheel it through my house, but it was heavy. It's over 500 pounds, so that's what it looks like. All right, guys, so pretty much I just took that wrapping off that you saw with the plastic and the packing material, and this is what it is. It comes on a pallet with a whole crate around it, and it's pretty much 99% put together. All you really got to do is open up your lid here and put your crank on and adjust your grates and all that, and it's pretty much put together. There's really nothing you have to do to this grill. It's all made out of 10 gauge carbon steel, so it's actually built to last a lifetime. So it's got a really strong powder coat on here. It's actually better than any of the Weber products I've ever seen. It's a really thick powder coat on here, so it's meant to last forever. You got your vent here. This is your smokestack that's built into the side of the hood. That's at grate level. The smoke actually comes out of here, grate level, and comes up through this stack. And you got your adjustment here. And this is made out of stainless. Your handle's made out of stainless. Your door for your firebox, for your smoking firebox, is stainless steel. And we'll kind of go over that in a minute as well. But I just wanted to give you a kind of look at it real quick. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this together. Then we'll kind of go over all the ins and outs of this grill. But I'm so excited for this grill. It's the biggest grill that M Grills offers. Like I said, they call it the mother of all grills. They have an M1 that is their standard grill smoker that is half this size. So this you can actually fit a ton of food in. So all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this together and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so this has two locking casters, one on the front side, one on the back side that's on the opposite corner. So it's kind of easy to move around. I think I got it in the spot that I'm going to keep it at right now. I got it to where it's the hood is not hitting my screen in the back. I have access to the firebox over here on the left-hand side, and I should be able to access everything pretty good, and it's not interfering with my door and my patio. So like I said, this is a really tough powder coating here. I said it's probably twice as thick as what you see on the Webers and all that. So, and this lid is heavy. There's no doubt about it. There is no spring assist or anything like that. I said it is all 10 gauge steel. So it's a heavy lid for sure. So if you're a 90-pound woman, it's probably going to be really heavy for you to open. It does come with the felt already around the top here. So this is supposed to be a pretty tight grill, where as far as keeping the temperature, there's not a lot of airflow comes through this unless you want it to. It's one of the reasons why I bought this. So you got a top grate here, a warming rack, or however you want to use it, but it comes off as well. These holders here for the top rack are screwed into the frame of the grill so they don't bounce around or move around. And this is pretty stable, and it's also 10 gauge stainless steel as well. It does have little straps here. I'm going to go ahead and pop off, and it's just so it doesn't move around in shipping. But now I can take this thing off and not use it if I want to stack up my food, or I can just put it right back with no problems, line it up, and it sits right in place. So I got my important instructions here that are also attached. So telling you how to season it, exterior cleaning, all your little manual stuff, but I'll go through that later. I really want to get into why I bought this grill. So if you see, the amount of cooking space on this grill is huge. So I think this is 36 inches this way. So you got 3 separate grill grates, and they're all big round stainless steel rods, and they all come out individually. I'm going to go ahead and take this one out, and they're heavy. Well, this one's attached as well. So I'm sure I'm going to be finding a lot of this where some of these things are attached so they don't bounce around in shipping. And I'll have to make sure I pull all those tabs out before I fire it up. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Yep, again, got another. These are my side shelves, and these are 10 gauge stainless steel as well, so they ship those inside it, and we're going to put those on in a minute. We're going to dig all the rest of our stuff out that's in here. Pop this open. This is my thermometer that goes in the hood, and it's a tell-true thermometer as well, so they spare no expense. So look at all this room we got in here. It's amazing. Now, one of the things I liked about this grill is, just like the Hasty Bake that I used to have, this is an adjustable charcoal basket right here. It goes up and down, and you got a crank. I'm going to get out, show you here. Stainless steel crank that cranks this box all the way up and down, so I can actually have charcoal on this whole grate here. Or if I'm smoking, let's say I'm wanting to cook a whole bunch of briskets or pork butts, I can load this basket on the bottom with pork butts and brisket or chicken or whatever, and also put them on the grates on the top, and then also use this level here. So I could technically probably do about 150 pounds of pork butt if I wanted to in this grill with no problem. So you can put those on here to smoke, but I can also use this to cook with charcoal. So if I'm grilling, I can do direct or indirect. There's a sear box. This is what this is here. It's a separate sear box where I can actually get this up close to the top grate and get a really close, good sear. So I'm going to show you that in a little bit too. So let me get these the rest of this stuff out, and I'll get the handle installed, and I think that's pretty much all I have to do as far as this side goes. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to try to get this video knocked out before it starts pouring here. We got a storm coming in a little while, but just kind of wanted to show you. I lifted the charcoal grate up just about, most of the way up, just so you can see how it goes up. This handle is really stout, so it goes up and can go all the way past where the other top grill grates are with the sear box in here. So you're not going to want to have it go up that high. So I'm going to actually take this down a notch, but I'm going to open this up and show you what you do when you're smoking on this, when you're using the bottom firebox on the left, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This is a reverse flow smoker, and you can use wood, charcoal with wood, or just charcoal. So one of the reasons I got this grill is because I could actually use it as a stick burner if I wanted to. But it's also a charcoal grill. I could use it for charcoal smoking as well. So the benefits of that is it's a reverse flow. So the fire is on the bottom, on the left on this one, so it'd be on the bottom left, and the smoke comes through the bottom and then up this side here. And there's a hole right here where the smoke would come up, but you also have this baffle. So I can have this baffle in and just pretty much put it in the right way. So I put the baffle in, that kind of makes it to where you can see in there, it kind of chokes back some of the flow. So if I'm doing, if I want it to be a really low and slow, I can leave that baffle in, but I can also take it out if I'm doing a hot and fast cook, so I can get more airflow in there. But that baffle is going to help me control that airflow when I want to do the low and slow versus a hot and fast type cook. So I'm going to I'll probably leave that in most of the time when I'm smoking. And if I'm going to do a hot and fast brisket or pork butt or something like that, I may take it out, but we'll see. It just has that option in there. So like I said, this is a reverse flow when it's a smoker. So the smoke will come from one side of the grill. We bring it back up out here. Put the sear box back in place. So what happens is the smoke will come from the bottom of the left, and it'll come through the bottom and then up this side, and then it'll come back out this side of the grill, because on this side of the hood is where your smokestack is. And like I said, the hole for the smokestack is at grate level, so it's actually, you're going to get most of your smoke going right through, just like all your expensive stick burners are set up now. The Aaron Franklins, the Lone Star grills, and all the top stick burners have the smokestack coming right down at grill level, so the smoke goes right across the meat and you get that best smoke profile. So that's how this is set up. I'm going to go ahead and now it comes with these two grate tools, and they're actually pretty cool. You can just pick up your grates with them. Slide them back in. So these are great. These are also stainless steel, heavy duty stainless steel. They're great tools. They come right out. You can pick them all up. This bottom grate comes out as well. You can take off your sear box, and this bottom grate comes out, so it's easy cleaning. You can actually, they suggest that you put heavy duty aluminum foil on the top of your baffle underneath the charcoal basket to make it easier cleaning. So you get some heavy duty aluminum foil before you put your charcoal in here, just to help you clean it up better. So it'll catch your drippings, it'll catch the fat, it'll catch ashes and all that, and just make it a lot easier to clean out. And it goes right across, right on top of your baffle there. So everything is 10 gauge steel. It's thick. It's going to last forever. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and put the rest of these grates back on. And since they're not hot, I don't need to use the grate tools. Like I said, these are really thick stainless steel. They should last you a long time. I'm going to put these right back in. Then we're going to kind of show you the smoke box and show you what we're going to be able to do using this thing as a stick burner or a charcoal smoker. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the firebox side here, and like I said, you're only going to use this if you're going to be smoking. So if you're going to be using it as a charcoal smoker or a stick burner, it can do both. So one of the things I wanted to show you, get really close up on, is this smokestack. It's a stainless steel little box here on the side. Like I said, your hole for the smokestack is right here at grate level. So then it's got your little smokestack here, and then you got your control for your airflow here. So if you turn it this way up, that's all the way open. If you turn it down, that's all the way closed. And then you can just make your little adjustments here, and it'll stop wherever you stop it. It's not going to be moving around. It's going to just stop wherever you put it. So you can adjust this to wherever you want it to be, as far as you want, heavy airflow for using it as a stick burner, so you want all that air to go through there, or you can choke it down if you're using a charcoal smoker. But one of the great features of this is that smokestack. So here's your firebox, and as you can see, this is heavy gauge stainless steel. You got a bottom vent here that slides just like all your expensive offset smokers you've seen online. It's heavy duty, and you can actually tweak this as far or open as closed as you want to. It's got your little latch for the door. Everything here is lined with felt to give you a tight airflow here. So we're going to open up the door, and as you can tell, that's a really thick stainless. It's not going to rust, not going to have any issues with it. And you got a firebox / fire basket that's the same. It's heavy duty steel. It's got nice big holes in it for airflow, and you can fit a lot of wood in this, a lot of charcoal. It's got a ash pan underneath it that's also steel, that you're going to be able to just take that out, clean your ash out real easy. And that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, it is easy to add more wood or charcoal to it. It's a big enough basket where it holds plenty. You should be able to get a good 12 hours or so out of this as a smoker with no problem. One of the things it also has, in case you wanted to know, it has a plug here, and that is for a temp controller, so which I'm actually going to use a temp controller on this sometimes. I'm really excited about that part. So the only thing I don't have installed on this yet are the two side shelves, and I'm going to actually do that later, so I'm not going to do that in this video. But they are thick stainless steel as well, and they go right on the sides. Boom, like right there, and boom. So you got two side shelves, one on each side. They screw down really well, and they're thick stainless steel. They're not going to rust. So that's about it, guys. I'm really looking forward to this grill. I'm really excited about this. I got my Tell True thermometer installed here. So as soon as I get the shelves put on, I'll take my final picture. But check it out, guys. Check out the M Grills. Check out all their products. They make the small portable grills for the steak competitions. They have middle-sized grills. They have the M1. This is the M36, mother of all grills. I can't wait to get cooking on it. Thanks for watching. Follow more videos on this. I'm looking forward to doing some cooks on it. Can't wait. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll see you on the next Fire and Water cooking video.